Hello everyone, if you're trying to watch any video on Twitter and you keep getting this error, content is not available, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Twitter easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go onto this link. You're going to go ahead and download this software. So just download this software, and once it's done downloading, you're going to open it up and install it. And after installing it, you're going to open the software up and then you're going to click onto this settings icon. You're going to click 1.1.1.1 with warp and then click connect. Wait for it to connect. And now you can open up your Twitter and then watch any video, and you'll see that all of the videos will work and you will not get that content is not available error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.